Hello and welcome. Today I will be working on a 12 by 24 inch gallery red canvas for Michaels, and I have to talk fast because I only have a few seconds to get all of this in. I will be doing a Dutch pour using 2 colors today, and the colors will be listed in the description box below. After almost 5 years of acrylic pouring, I still get nervous doing Dutch pours. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet results. if you can tell, I stretched it out a little bit more after I took my phone down because I just didn't like the composition as much. I love the colors. I love the cells. My paint is pulling away from the sides and the edges. So once the painting dries, I will use the leftover purple that I have there to hand paint the sides and the edges. The base has metallic in it. The white that I used is titanium white, metallic white, and pearl white. Pearl white by Amsterdam. So I'm happy that I stretched it out some more, and I kind of softened up the lines there because once I stretched it out, like I stretched it down, if you can tell from when I stopped recording. But I love it. I love it now. I love the colors. Purple is my favorite, so it will always be on my top 10 list. And I love like the smoky look that the white gives with just the purple base. So just two colors. Again, this will be a series. I am going to turn this into a series. Not quite yet because I have a few more commissions that I need to get done. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. And if I don't show you the dry results in this video, I will show you it in the next one. Okay, I lied. Here is the dried results. So I'm happy that I continued to stretch it out because there was still a lot of paint on the canvas. And as you can see, I was able to get all of that extra paint off. And it's very flat. There's no texture. I'm still gonna have to paint the sides and the edges because the paint pulled away from the canvas. So I'm gonna err on the side that it was the canvas and not my paint because I can see that my cells still held its form and its shape. I would know if it was the paint because my cells would continue to spread while it was drying and the perimeter of the cells will look very jagged. So it's not my paint, it's the canvas, and that's okay. I still have paint left over. But I love the composition. And I'm gonna do more of these two color paintings and stay tuned for my series. Thank you for watching.